Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to share and collaborate on Google Slides easily. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure the presentation you want to share is fully open so you can access all the sharing options. Next, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. A sharing window will open where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the presentation with. Simply type one or more email addresses in the field provided. After that, choose their access level depending on what you want them to do. You can select Viewer if they only need to see the presentation, Commenter if they need to leave feedback, or Editor if you want them to make direct changes. Choosing the correct permission is important because it controls what each person can do inside the file. If you want to send a link instead of adding email addresses, click Copy Link and share it with the people you choose. This is useful when you want to share the presentation quickly through email, chat, or another platform. And that's it. You now know how to share and collaborate on Google Slides. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. See you in the next video.